California LLC versus S-Corp. Which one should you choose? This video contains affiliate links and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned at no extra cost to you because they're the best in the industry. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're starting a business in California, you're probably deciding between two popular structures, LLC or S-Corp. Both offer liability protection, but the way they're taxed, managed, and maintained can affect your income, paperwork, and peace of mind. So, in this video, I'll break down the key differences between California LLC and an S-Corp, how taxes and fees work, and which one might be right for your business. I'll also show you how Busy helps you form either one, LLC or S-Corp, while staying compliant with state and IRS rules. Click the link in the description to start your LLC or S-Corp with Busy. They'll file it for you and get your EIN, help you with BOI reports all in one dashboard. So let me give you a quick difference between both. A California LLC is a flexible business structure with pass-through taxation and simple management. An S-Corp is a tax election made with IRS that can reduce your self-employment taxes if you're making enough income. There's an important thing to note that an S-Corp isn't a business entity. It's a tax status. You can select after forming an LLC or corporation. Now let's discuss the tax differences between both. So for the California LLC taxes, you pay self-employment tax on all profits around 15.3%, subject to $800 minimum franchise tax per year, no salary required, you just take owner draws. And for California S-Corp taxes, you must pay yourself a reasonable salary. You save on self-employment tax for profits above your salary, still subject to $800 franchise tax plus a 1.5% income tax on net earnings. If your business profits are under $50,000 per year, the LLC is usually simpler. If your profits are $75,000 to $100,000 plus dollars, you might save money with an S-Corp election. As far as compliance and complexity is concerned, LLC is easier because there is no payroll setup, no corporate formalities, simple record keeping, annual statement of information, and franchise tax required. S-Corp is stricter. It must run payroll, file payroll tax reports quarterly, file separate 1120S tax return, and must issue K-1s to owners. That's why many business owners start as an LLC and elect S-Corp later once they're profitable. Also, don't forget every LLC and corporation formed in 2024 or later must file a BOI report, and Busy helps you stay compliant and reminds you when this is due, along with your state filing and annual report. So many entrepreneurs use Busy for its free LLC, along with EIN and free registered agent for first year. Whether you go with an LLC or an S-Corp, Busy helps you get started the smart way with no guesswork. So if you're still unsure which is better for your situation, form an LLC now with Busy and decide on the S-Corp election later when your income grows. So that's it for today's guide. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.